I'm curious how vending machines detect fake coins. It seems like it'd be easy to trick, but it's a process that happens in split seconds. When you insert a coin, a series of light sensors first measure its size with pinpoint accuracy. At the same time, electromagnets are detecting the specific type of metal it's made of. This is how the machine instantly identifies the coin, sorts it into the correct column, and sends any fakes right to the reject chute. But the secret to making sure you're snagged